you in a garden in an old Kentucky town. The sun was shining down. You wore a gingham gown. I kissed you as I placed a yellow tulip in your hair. Upon my coat you pinned a rose so rare. Time has not changed your loveliness. You're just as sweet to me. I love you, yet I can't forget the days that used to be when you wore a tulip, a sweet yellow tulip, and I wore a big red rose. When you caressed me, 'twas then heaven blessed me. What a blessing no one knows. You made life cheery when you called me dearie. 'Twas down where the bluegrass grows. Your lips were sweeter